Still working in the shop, working on some YouTube videos, which is taking me away from the Instagram reels a little bit as I work through learning how to do both at the same time. But we'll have some cool ash, walnut, cherry, poplar posters being sent down to Brian, built from Bricker, soon. Just want to do a scuff coat of 220, paste on the cork backing, and these will be headed down. Ended up with 5 of them. I think they're pretty cool. Hopefully they raise a bunch of money. Thanks for watching.